Let's get real for a second. If you're dealing with upper lip hair, you are definitely not alone. Lots of women notice a little fuzz above their lips, and honestly, it's totally normal. But if you'd rather have smooth, hair-free skin, I've got you covered with some easy ways to handle it. Fast fix for date night, longer-lasting solution. First off, why do we even have upper lip hair? Genetics, hormones, menopause, PCOS, certain meds, ethnic background. If you notice sudden thick growth or other symptoms, check with a dermatologist. Now let's talk removal methods you can do at home. Shaving, facial razor, glide downward. Tweezing, precise, lasts longer. Waxing, weeks of smoothness may cause redness. Threading, accurate, affordable, ouch. Hair removal creams, simple, patch test first. Milk plus turmeric natural mask. Lemon sugar scrub natural option. Looking for something more permanent? Laser hair removal, targets root, multiple sessions. Electrolysis, permanent for many, multiple sessions. Expect a bigger price tag. Dermaplaning, pro treatment, temporary peach fuzz removal. For hormonal imbalances, doctor may suggest special creams or treatments. Pro tip for sensitive skin, facial razors, natural masks. Soothe with aloe vera after. Skip harsh chemicals if you can. After removal, pamper skin, aloe gel, ice cubes. Take a makeup-free day. Exfoliate gently after a couple days to prevent ingrown hairs. Remember, hair removal myths are everywhere. Shaving doesn't make hair grow back thicker. Natural masks can lighten hair but won't make it vanish forever. The best method fits your lifestyle, fits your budget, fits your comfort. Take care of your skin. Do a patch test. Ask a pro for advice. You deserve to feel confident in your own skin every single day.